Welcome to Easy Money Masters channel. Ready to boost your income? Affiliate marketing is the perfect side hustle, even if you're a beginner. In just 2 minutes, I'll break down the process so you can start earning fast. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. Start by picking something you're passionate about or where there's demand. Fitness, gadgets, or personal finance. Find a niche you'll enjoy promoting. The better you know your audience, the easier it'll be to connect and promote products they'll love. Sign up for trusted affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. These platforms give you unique links to promote products and track commissions. No inventory required, just share, market, and earn. Use social media, blogs, or YouTube. Create helpful, engaging content that adds value to your audience. Reviews, tutorials, or simple product recommendations can drive audiences to your links and spark commissions. Affiliate success takes time and consistency. Focus on quality content and build trust with your audience. They'll reward you with clicks and purchases. Don't wait. Start your affiliate journey today. Subscribe to Easy Money Masters for more tips and tricks, and turn your side hustle into a steady income stream. Let's make it happen. Hit the links and start earning.